Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl Rejoice One TV. If today is your first time of coming across this my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to comment below, turn off the notification bell so that anytime I upload the video you will be the first to be alerted. Guys, I upload every day on this channel. I bring out the latest gist, the latest things, what is happening on social media. I bring it here for us to watch. And I want to say a big thank you to my old subscribers and my new ones, and those that do support me. May the Lord Almighty bless you all for supporting me. I love you all. See you next on my next video. Bye bye.
My people, hello my people. I don't bring another new update. Come give us I see the hot my people. Now to bring this update come so that may we self still watch as the matter they hot as I just they pass. Now I see this new update we just day on board now. Rossy they talk to Rita, so she makes some videos yesterday to talk to Monica, Rita, and other people, some people where the case involved. She tried to make sure say she say her own part of what really happened. That is, she tried to make sure say she put peace. She won't put peace among them. But my people, you don't see they go now. Somebody must still come and say, "No be like this, not be like that." So I say make I bring this update come, make we sef still watch her, make we see lis ten to her. So as she just dey hold, now say make I bring her. But before I go dey go, make I throway salute greet una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening, depend on where una dey watch this video from. If today na una first time wey una dey come across this channel, una don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment below. Una turn off the notification bell so that anytime when I upload, e go dey sound for una phone marker. And I want to say may God bless all my old subscribers and my new ones. May God Almighty bless una for subscribing to my channel, for supporting me, for that una amazing support. I say may the Lord Almighty bless una once again. So my people, I go dey see una next on my next video. Make I put this video, make we watch, because this update e really dey hot, not be small thing. Bye bye.
Good morning. In and out back. Everything now is back. Cocoa. Chineke. Ade, I mean, I call me Rita. I mean, I call Rita. Come me. Call me Rita. Rita, when they Jenny. When I carry, one way Rita. When I carry Rita, I want to talk to her tomorrow. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Let me share myself. morning. That's my number, my new number. Bueno. Oh, wow. Okay. Good morning, 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 good morning. Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time. So, if today is your first time, if today come across my video, I'm Rossy. Okay, so we do a lot of things here. Yeah, it's true that now I don't really have much time to be emphasizing more deeper into, into our activities. So if, like I just said, if you are just coming across my video, try to take a look at the previous videos, okay? So this morning, my people, say when I did come from work yesterday, I was like talking about Rita, So when I reached out, before I do this, do that, I was tired. I said, okay, we do this particular video to her this morning before I will go to work, okay? In case you don't know, you never see the video when I do yesterday morning, that video happened to be video that concerned about 4 or 5 people, okay? Which I mentioned Rita, Monica, Mommy Love, and the Prophetess Grace, okay? So I know inside there, through that video later, I mentioned Rita's parents and our sister, Sister Lovely. Okay. So later, I later saw the video that Rita did. Like trying to Rita, see, I see video when you do, okay. Waiting I did here to come tell you, if you are that person, if you are expecting me, not only you, if any presenters, whether you are a presenter or you are a YouTuber or you are just ordinary, anyway, social media influencer, okay, if you are expecting me, maybe when I analyze your video, because I do analyze people, I analyze these people's video. I will never just carry person the cause some, except you fair find me at the talk. If you're that person, maybe you are expecting me to analyze your video, even when you are wrong, to say it in your favor, you will be very disappointed on me, okay? So, my sister Rita, now I want to tell you this morning. You see the way I talk to you. I mentioned something up to 3 times yesterday was the way they really do your parents, good. And people, when you do that act, you see the way I talk to Mommy Love, I talk to Monica, I talk to Madam Grace, I talk to you, okay? So that video, you still take it personal, and I'm here to tell you, I don't care. It's quite a pity that they go disturb your parents for house. If I talk about to Mewine, when I was making video, someone commented that now you fair carry police enter social media. I said it yesterday. Me saying it does not mean say I say me you go dey fight with Umewine. No. Who is after you fighting with Umewine? Now you fair do am, my sister. No, even though say Umewine don't sleep for your house today, they sleep for your kitchen, you don't be your brother, you don't adopt her as a brother, as a pikin. That thing that name don't dey there. People are not trying to say, people when they say now you fair carry police come out. I said it yesterday, make you come out. If they say new live video presenter say nakpaje view now they fine. Maybe for you, my sister, nakpaje view now they fine. As you talk you don't have respect. When you disrespect people, you never really care about others. You don't want to know how they feel. Yesterday happened to be my first time of analyzing your nonsense. It dey pain you. I know insult you there just because I tell you the truth. When I get problem with Iyore, I never get problem with you. Now you dey talk and pass. When Iyore they use my belly, they mock me. I dey fight with Iyore for line. Now you they use and do live video. You they mock me. Did I ever come out for you? I not talk to you until the day I was angry. Many things when you do, I said it also yesterday. Say, with waiting you do me, Rita. With good morning, good morning. I talk yesterday. Say, with waiting you do me, I can understand others that come after you. But the only thing when you know good when they do, maybe when they come after your parents. You understand? Because I get problem with Iyore. Did you know me and Iyore? Do you know what happened between me and Iyore? Are you living in France? Do you know what happened? When you carry my video and Iyore, what happened? Take and they do topic. Did you ask me first? Did you know why I come after Iyore? I only come out to say that they don't hack my page. I come out here to talk, say they don't hack my page. Waiting, they do Sarah. When Sarah take naked for video, now it be this when they take hack her page. Make una leave me. I say, okay, when they bully Easy Ogbede, I come and say, make una leave Easy Ogbede. Make una not bully him again. If you not talk to her with mouth, you go enter house. You come out. They mock me, Rita. Say, why I go to talk for Easy Ogbede matter? And did I answer you? And not only one day I come answer you. See, Rita, I'm just here to tell you, don't let me come out for you for saga. I work by no go, eh? I tell you truth now, they pay you. Nonsense. Who are you? You underrate. If you underrate everybody, do not underrate me. Which kind of view? You when you they get when you not get €1 for pocket. You that don't respect your parents. I told you the truth. Because with all this your dirty attitude, it shows how you were brought up. Now your parents have, now you learn them. I'm not afraid to tell you the truth. Now your family hand, now you learn them. Your family hand, now you learn them, my sister. And you look like Peking when they follow mama, they do trouble for Otewodu. Now you be. Are you not ashamed? I thought of Prophetess Grace say, why Prophetess Grace go they do, he be pastor when they do runs. Pastor when he be say they find people nyash. Now let you I not thought of Prophetess Grace. That is a Madam Grace. Sorry, madam, if you come across this video by addressing you that way. I'm sorry. I talked to that madam. Say, why you go to do like that? How will you talk to your members? I tell the woman, so if I do a hichoya, madam a hichoya. No, who that one, you know, see that one. I talk to mommy love, tell mommy love, say, now trouble. Now you they use your platform they do. What are you showing people? I talk to mommy love. I still talk to the same thing to Monica. No, you're almost different. It can't be simple view. It's simple this. Don't let me come out for you. Eh? I'm here. I'm not here to insult you. Do not, if you, see, you are very lucky that I don't get time. Whenever I have time, I will analyze any nonsense you are doing. Who are you that somebody cannot talk to? You that, did you, what makes you, did you, why did you open your social media handle to be doing trouble? Betrayed, and anything you can think of. That's the reason why you open your social media handle. My social media handle starts from cooking, care, family lifestyle blogger. I've been maintaining it. Can you maintain what you claim that you are doing? You cannot maintain it. I gave you, I not gave you, concern you. Now since I beat you, now you start to the dress. A video ni yak berita. Video when I take beat him. Be like say na July here. Now I beat him. Now since I beat you, now you start. Now me tell you to the change here. Now me tell you all those your tear clothes. Me go to where for those be buy new one. Now me make you buy new clothes. I have a mark for that for you. If you doubt from the date when I beat you, Lily for Italy, he still played that video that day. Check that date. From the date when I beat you, before I beat you, the way you were looking, and from when I beat you. You when me beat, I carry you put for a gbese. Now since I tell you make the change, when it be say common waiting call. Sorry, my people. I dey call. Hello, bros. Good morning, sir. Yeah, good morning, sir. Okay, I dey call. I did live video. I'll bring her. No worry. No, I'll come around 9:30. 9:35. I did live video. I dey come. Okay. Before I come, I go buy my things for diet. I know I woke up around 6:30. Mm. Okay now. You know say today na Wednesday. Me and children they come. They know they go school. And they come. And I sleep reach 6:30. Bye bye. Okay now, later. And we are all coming. Today na Wednesday. And yeah, everything they here. Their phones, yeah, I will come with their phones, even their tablet. Their tablet I will come with. I dey come. Okay. Okay, no problem. We dey come. I dey come, Oga. I dey live video. Okay. Okay now. Sorry. My person call me. So, sorry, my people, if I not dey read comments. You understand me? So, my dear, little sister, Rita. Even my head be not be social media. You dey for the no nana you want struggle. Fine, if you be saying na social media, nana you want come struggle for social media. So be it. You understand me? So do not take me for like somebody when you be say I will come see the truth and not go talk am. You are lying, my sister. Okay? Say you just they look for view, they look for this, they look for that. Because you never want to hear the truth. If you at least now you when you dey, now your parents, if you can't be say, you know say yesterday I talk and say you and Yore una get the same character. Yes. Every time I dey talk am. If I dey talk am, you know me say I hate Yore. I hate her character. You understand? You can be here, be throwing a red head. Who give a damn about that? After the video, after the live stream, I will block you off. You and Yore, the same character, ewane. That one carry Bini, take popularity. Now you the fan. At least you now your own papa and mama, now you bring down, take climb up, no problem. So you can use your papa and mama, the below, maybe you take get popularity. Your popularity comes from trouble. And you are always the one being afraid of other adults like you be popular. When Easy Ogbede video why be this one again? Go ask your papa. Now your papa be that. Now your papa. So when Easy Ogbede's video went viral, you was afraid. You always afraid of others when you be say the one rise. You always come out to claim, say you be victim. Eh? No, and you don't need to come and tell me people that wanted to associate to kill your parents, to assassinate your parents. I don't know whether they be want to assassinate your parents. Everybody knows say they go arrest your mama. What did they do? No good when they arrest your mama. So you can be putting your red head. Well, I say no na here. So now be that one. So before you do any this thing, say you be Oduga, you be this, you be that. You need to look for something reasonable thing. When you be say you go talk, say yes. Now what's not they do be this? You know the shame. After you have disgraced yourself for social media, you after you have disgraced yourself after because people don't know now say na lie you they lie. I ask you that question very well. Yes, if you like, you can call it bullying, and I don't give a damn. Now you come out here and start say, yeah, fake cream seller. That is how you need to die, madam. Fake cream seller. You, if you can buy something like this, if you want them, I go show you. Yes, I be fake cream seller. But look at my body. Bring out your face. Okay. So now be that. I am here to tell you, it's of no use being popular without €1 in your pocket. Without €1 in your pocket. without €1 in your pocket. It's quite a pity that, anyway, I don't know what to tell you. You understand? So maybe that. If you be that person, you did this social media, you are like waiting for me to the, if I want to analyze your issues, make a the, when you know say you wrong, I'm here, I will give you your wrong. When you are wrong, I will tell you where you for wrong. Now, so that are you not ashamed when somebody, people tell you say, Sister Rita, you have a day set of gold in you. I go buy you set of gold. I'll buy set of gold for your mama to take picture. Make it take picture. You come put on social media. You really open platform. Is that not a shame for you? Meaning you are not capable to buy set of gold for your mother. You are not capable to maintain your parents. Good morning, my darling. Good morning, my wonderful people. God bless you. Okay, God bless you. God bless you. If you okay, sorry, no problem. Okay, if you mistakenly press the red head, no problem. So that is it. Are you not ashamed of that? If you like, you call it say na bullying. You say na GPC, na they tell me who's GPC. I told us here. See, if Monica do me something, I dey quarrel with Monica, you know me say I hate her. You understand? So if you think say maybe na GPC people, I'm not a GPC member. I'm just here to tell you, I don't want to be their member. Okay, I'm not against them being GPC. It's not my GPC or no GPC. It's none of my business. Okay, there be GPC or there not be GPC, not their problem. As far as say Monica put her for my page, I talk her here. Monica put her for my page. I talk her. If they are more waiting, make me the verse for her. So, and apart from that, GPC people cannot, if not that one, they see Rita, you get one thing when they worry you. Now I see the reason why you have wrinkles all over your face. Now I see the reason why you are older than your age. The day when I hear say Felicia, na your senior cousin, I was surprised. Also, your mind, you are so full of suspicions. You say things out of suspicions. You are so suspicious. You dare against Felicia. You want make everybody dare against her. No, it won't work, my dear little one. You're still my little sister. As far as I know your age, Rita, you are the one when I seen your second time. The one when I seen your second time, maybe your age mate. Not even the one when I seen you. Best when I seen you is still senior you with years. Okay? I learned that you are just 41. Now you are the one when I seen your second time, I wanna be age mates. So maybe that. You for you now, maybe na this PC, na concern me. Na can't come me for inside. See the way you talk. Because when you talk few days ago, when they arrest your mama, you make us believe say Felicia dey Nigeria. Now Felicia, when you go Nigeria, your family enemy, when you go Nigeria, na him arrange when they arrest your mama. And Felicia dey Italy here. Before the girl come do video, when they do, if I dey talk, I know you know, be say maybe I be Felicia, boy, no. Or I dey call her, no dey call her. I dey watch you, I dey watch her. I like watching that lady because she is so beautiful. Na beautiful girl, na beautiful lady. She have a very wonderful body and wonderful face. You come say, you make people believe say na that girl, na you go arrange. And the girl dey here. And the girl is here. I still watch her video where she do cream. That 2 days ago, I watch it. The way she dey do cream, since I come across her about November, a bit more than November or December. The same area when they do cream, when I know her that last year, November, a bit December. Now there I still watch her video when they do cream 2 days ago. You come out with your suspicious. When you tell the thing, say maybe now you still tell the talk now, say maybe GPC that they will just call me, they want to use me, they want to use me, they want to come and use me. I want to tell you, new presenter, I want to tell you how social media function. What do you know about social media? Huh? You will still like if you know they get you, what you do to draw people's hearts, now it matter. Yes, now problem you they make. You are doing trouble. You are doing trouble. You know they sleep. You know they sleep. You they show for all your face, say you know they sleep again. Your voice don't crack. You they lie, say you get cough. Which cough they worry you? Because you are not sleeping. You need to think of what you go talk. You need to go watch who they talk to you. You need to go think what you another person. You go think on what another person they think. You need to go and imagine something. You need to go and look for what will I do again. I made that thing know say I don't arrive. My sister, when it be saying narcissist, when I beat you for this social media, now you start to the dress. If you are not see that video, may I show now? I will bring out with the dates. If I dey lie, I don't lie. Now since I beat Rita, the day when I beat her, 2 days later, now she start to the dress. The video when I forbid her, I go repost that video because you don't take. You know, say I get a lot of video. I will post that video for you to see. I'll post the video this evening. When I come back from work, I will repost the video. When you watch the date. Now from that day, now she started to change hair. Now she started to change human hair. Now she started to back. Now I'm not saying now you dey here, you the Rita. I don't give a damn. Now you started to do hair. Now you started to change clothes. I will prove it. You know how I'll take proof on my people, Well, I will post the video, or I'll do small video, take giving her the date. When I'll go watch her videos before that day, the way she was looking and after that day. So, Mama Weni, don't come and tell me about Okpaika, Precious Meg, Monica, this. If you get problem with them, go and settle it. If you get problem with Mommy Love, the same thing with Mommy Love. I never call Okpaika one day. I never call, I call Monica, I don't tell you the reason why I take call. I never call Grace, Prophetess Grace. I never call Lovely. That is that of our sister Lovely. I never call Mommy Love for. I call Mommy Love only twice. Make her stop. No, no, my sister. You know why? I know why. Because this lady, her own is really getting too much. You understand? Whenever I analyze this, any video, if I want to analyze video, I will analyze it. You understand? You understand me? I analyze it. Whenever you like, I analyze a video, she will jump out. She will jump out. She will jump out. Who is she? When she carry my matter for head, they talk her for her platform. It be like saying, na me with her get problem. If you get problem with people, you go and settle your issues. If I say something, I just say it just because I want to. If I say something, I said it because I want to say it. Who is she to control me? She that cannot take care of her parents. She that can deny her child. Now, Secret don't come and say she get pikin for Nigeria. I don't know how truth is that. You understand? Because I cannot say whether not true. Because me, I don't feel Jews lie. They fight person. They say if not true, say you really get pikin for Nigeria. They say the pikin when they deport you, now you born and finish, you enter root. I don't know how truth is that. If you really be say you get pikin for Nigeria, but you hide them, can't tell people when they Facebook say now only 3 children you get, meaning you not better pass people when they laugh. That is why I always tell people, know what you represent on this social media. Knowing what you represent matters a lot. Okay? Know what you represent. If you do rubbish, if I can't talk, just because I will put you for back. May I clap for you. May I clap, make I join the clap for you. Rubbish. You that don't have content. Do normal content. May you know whether people go watch you. Do normal content. If you know the reason why they beat this girl, well, because what did she talk yesterday? So I only when I watch the video when I do yesterday, I never insult her. I know insult her. Things when I tell you, if you call it saying I'm bullying, the way you take it to be bullying, yes, I will use it to bully you. You know the reason why I should tell you that? Because you should stop lying to people. You lie people. Use people lie to win people's hearts. You people lie to win people's hearts, living a very fake life, living a life of non-entity. Only God know how you feed. People like this will not care, even though they don't eat, they can to use money, take buy what it go make them look good on social media. Even though say na flour that they eat, sleep, consign am. If I want to do saga, say I want to do real saga, I go dey here for, if I dey here for 1 hour, 200 go stay here, they watch me. Now 69 they watch me so. I know say if I dey do normal video on my next video now, maybe highest 10 I go to watch. If I really say make I follow the way you take start, some of una, if I dey live video 700, 800 go still dey watch me. And if you are really person when you get sense, Rita, you go not say, I'm not after what you are after. I don't believe in what you believe. I believe say one day I will still do my normal video without problem. Hundreds go they watch me. Before they will anybody when talk to you say nah, because of you. What are you doing that makes sense? Is it the hookup when you collect people, Nigerian people money, you not going to give them women, you not going to give them men? Is it because they're quiet, they look you? You collect people who money finish for hookup, you not see partner give them till today. People are complaining. When you do nonsense finish, nobody will talk to you. You know, they live fake. 2 months, last month, now you carry car, 2 cars, come and say now 2 cars you buy. Where the cars? You that throw mouth to people. When you come out that day, say you they do video say na so Nigerian husband and wife go thief for supermarket. Say na that one good. All this suburban gang now so they will still happen. Suburban gang. From there now you don't the jealous Mrs. Yobosa. Wishing for that one else to still happen. You said it on your video. But you did not mention Yobosa. You say suburban gang. That's what they see they do. But they were jealous everywhere. The jealousy lelue. When our video, when you they do video, you just say now only yourself they talk to. Lying. You that cannot take care of yourself. You carry your fellow woman a bed come out. Show us how you take care of your own children. You look at your children picture when you put for video. Look at your children video picture when you put for your Facebook or the 23 or 24. How unkept your children are looking. They were different from clothes when they wear. Look at the girls first. Look at the way they were looking. Now you carry Kate children bed might not good, but you see how Kate children looks. When you go the more person, you are Gumela January Saga. If you let me come out for you for Saga, don't let me come out for you. Don't let me on my live video to Saga you. At least you just carry a tornado come out to stay popular. You carry your parents, you bring your parents down to stay popular. It's good. But I'm wearing maybe this. Oh, somebody they call me. Hello? Good morning. I did live video.
Okay. Your film, one of speaker, I want to just give you, I want to talk to you.
Hello? My dad not feel remove her for speaker. Talk on.
Okay, you want her for speaker?
Where are you speaker?
Okay, for speaker. So I say when you start this your page, I just follow you. There may be one lady when you write you for WhatsApp, when you come bring one conference, something like biscuit for diet. Like we say, okay, as I write you, you not come give me feedback. I not gonna call you again. So I just like the way they do things. So I surprised since yesterday when you had the issue. You understand? I think I've never seen for
My sister, the thing is that any video you see from my page, watch them. All of them are content. You see, yeah, that does it. Any video when you just see, say I bring comment, watch it. It's a content. Now content. So maybe that. You understand me? Maybe that one. You now you say they laugh people. This is useless Rita that came out to tell me say maybe we can do competition. When Rita the talking, because when I first come out that time, I was like, let me talk to her. What is your problem? This is somebody when he be say in Yore, they insult her own self. I know if it's also my children. She supported the Yore they do. When Yore they tell people say, I come out for here, come tell people say, they teach my fellow women something. When they tell them was, when I get belle, 3 children I born, now operation I take born them. I born my 3 children with operation. I will come and tell people say, that's why they watch me all the time. I always concentrate. Yeah, I concentrate on my body, now my belly, okay? I always concentrate on my belly. They tell people say, even yesterday, if you watch video when I see do nine, because the operation now I take bone, I not tie belly. First time I don't say that they tie belly. Before they tell me after 3 months when I gave birth, because you do the operation bone, you know as it be, you know if you tie your belly. Or second time operation I take bone. Third time operation I take bone. I never had that one day. I come out for here, they tell women say, operation when me take bone, now make my belly big. If this is waiting at the eat, that make my belly go down. You just come and say no be operation I take bone. No, not be the operation when I take bone, not be cousin. Say now cassava, rubber cassava. When I did by myself, they tell they do myself, now make my belly big. I was angry with you with that for that thing. Rita carry on, take how they do video. Say maybe we can do this thing. Because berries, I dey take berries. That berries now they make my belly go down. I dey show am here all the time. All the time I dey show am here. Every day, taking that berries. Rita carry am take they do this thing, take they mock me. When I now called her out for the competition, then people was like waiting. Who is she? Now you go kill your mama. You now the Rita, now you go kill your mama. Whosoever that will be under that fake account. Ladiania, come on 100,000. Umamiere Ladian. Ekwe mwe. Come on 100,000. You not see bring come out. Kokobri not see give you 165. I want to go buy waiting until they do diet for my own self. You hear just now when I tell my colleagues say now you go quick me. Now when I tell my colleagues say now my colleague now you go first me reach how do you call it? Now you go first me reach work. I tell my colleague just now. I'm prepared to go. 100 euro can kokobiri mamire ladian. Okay. Money when I want to go buy waiting, I want to do my diet. Maybe this. My this money's shopping. Yeah, just now. Now they are fed they go. Waiting until they do diet. When I want to put for my cupboard, till they teach people waiting at the eat. When I buy it, if I don't want to buy it, I will call them. I will call it, I will put it on live video. Even there. When it be said, now this one, now make your mama sleep station. 4 people in your family, no fit bring and come out. 155 euro person. Makes 100 euro. Yeah, my mere ladian. When I want to go buy, shop people put for my cupboard. For only me, for my diet. Uzuo. They crazy. Who is after you? Who they after you? This is money when you say kokobiri ka mami anyway. Kokobiri no see give you. Now I want to go buy waiting. I'll buy just now. Any food when I say they do diet, if I really concentrate on it, 70 something euro per a week. Not be say now there they go so. If I buy them, I will put them for live video. I will show now this place when I feel that. You are very stupid. Who is you? Whenever I go, every morning when you get it, they do human hair. I want to buy this. I want to buy that. I want to buy this. I want to buy that. I want to buy this. You get money. Nuzua now. na Queen Rita, queen without a crown, queen without €1 in the pocket. Our Nigerians, when they follow Kokobiri, they follow Kokobiri because of money. Many of Nigerians, they work for black stuff. Many Nigerians, when they follow Kokobiri, they follow Kokobiri because of money. You when they with Kokobiri, when you not still get money, it's come on €155. Mammy, yeah, where I come, we got a robiera. No, they will my people, a ball. I bet me I dey go. I want to take a na 9:55 bus. Now I want to take. No say na me and children dey go. No mind now. When you not got money, when you don't see many, my 2 page have been monetized. You call that they say you want to do marriage. Where the marriage? Where the marriage? When you tell the lie. Once again, you still pay me saying they go arrest him, mama. Now she there for arrest. Not be mama. You go they bring trouble to his mother for us. And they come here to do akpo bole. I come they clap for you now. May your followers for they follow me. You take me for that kind of person. Now so you take the catch your muguna. May all your followers now they don't they follow you. You say you don't know. You don't feel talk to Yore say, they go Bini, go and beg. Why should he advise Yore who are me a view kekan, who are pretend kekan, made the for tea say, una love him, may love us for the following. Yore pity no eh? When we have a followers say, Yore, as you get followers rich. This Christmas now, all your members go Bini, but you not go fit go Bini. None of your members now go Egwai. Ya no ya inyanwe error. Nobody now go beg for your sake. You go say I'm here oh I will live video where you doing and Yori. Ide, you know the secret lovers that cannot come out. Rita, I am here to tell you, in case you do not know, among those 8 people, when you call for live video, say they put money for your account, my person dey inside. One of them na my person. Now my money I take can enter Europe. If you don't believe me, those 8 people, if you have their contact, call them one by one, whether they know me. Those 8 people, when you call, come out. Say they put money for your account when you take do your nonsense. One of those 8 people, now my person. Not only my person, now me, Rossy, use money, carry and enter Europe. If you don't believe me, I give you go ahead, say it. Say it, ask them. If na lie I talk, come talk for live video. If you talk for live video, say na lie I talk, I will debunk the name on live video to you. You are very stupid. To tell you, this word na very small word. Now me use my money carry and enter Europe. When you contribute money, take your money. When you take go this, do your rubbish, they go. So you must care way, mind your way. My people, may I come go. Me I come go, me I no miss bus. You know say 15 minutes, 14 minutes time we'll take bus. Let me say before where I want to take. Say me and children. Wear your jacket oh. Be better no sir. Be better to leave better so I'm ready. Hein? Yeah, twabe. So my people na man. Man, no mind now. If you be that person, you say they say fake cream. Now so Rita affect talk. Now Rita affect come and say me say cream go soon swell my body. You that cannot present it. They say na fake cream and they say see my body. See my body. See my body. You don't even wear my way. Yeah, wear fake cream here. Uzuo. My wear back here fake cream. I get 45 years plus. Very soon, I get 46 years old. 46 years. Very soon. When I go, when I even bury, let me show you my leg. You know whether anywhere when cream is spread, they my body. But when I can see my leg. This one you already see na shoe do no say na shoe. Na shoe tight high heel. You not see my body? The way my face be, now so my leg be. Now see, my people. Uzuo, when I fake cream na him. Now fake cream be that. You not see my body? The same, my color for face. Now I get reach my toe. Egbe here. Did I egbe mo my way? When the Carolite egbe, guy, fake this thing. I be this. You see my leg, from head to toe. See my leg. Now so it be. You see, they say na fake cream. I dey sell. If you want to come and buy my cream, come and buy. Now so now where that you see, you see my body. You see, now see where baby man. Uzuo Rita. I have nothing to hide. Show your shame like this. Competition, now you felt they follow me that day. On one of Sunday, when I go holiday, I take my children out for picnic for beach. Osagie them, he come out. He never reach 20 minutes. He go on live video saying what carry children. Go picnic. Now from there, you open toto for social media. When they take carry his pants, the white pants come out. I pity for you that day. Why you spend the same competition with me? Nonsense. Say fake cream. The ones start to try to spoil my market. These ones, I'm not selling it. Now cream when I don't use. Maybe this. If I can have as beautiful as this body without nucleus, I don't have nucleus on my body. From head to toe at 45 plus. This year I will complete 46. You see as my leg fresh. Is it they say I be this thing? Why I think women with competition? My people are beg. The day when I sprayed one perfume, somebody was asking me because I changed my fragrance. So now it be this now. So now this thing, Givenchy. Now Givenchy entered. Somebody asked me that day. Now it be this. Now my partner buy it for me. So now enter the Givenchy. Now the carton be this. This one is the small one, 53 euro. Let's say the big one 100 euro, I be 90 something euro. I don't know. This one 53 euro. The small one. If in case you want to go and buy, it really smells good. So my partner like him. Who be this? Oh, sorry, somebody they call me. Hello? I want to come up to. Hello? Hello, good morning, madam. I did live video.
No, they say they want you inside, but very well.
Okay, but if you are on speaker.
Huh?
You did speaker. Okay, cream, no problem. If not, I mean, I'll call your number when I restore. Oh, that's a bonnet. You know what to do. Oh, down. Then, mama. Because when the starts. People when I go your account, like webo or help you cannot just see somebody and hate that person without not do you anything. Rita see me for live video. With jealousy. Okay. Rita, I give you go ahead. Find out among those 8 people that you call out on social media that give you money. Person, when I use my money, carry enter Europe. Is there among those 8 people? When he give you that money, I hear any time, mama. Is there, mama? You call with your sister. Is there? You call with your sister. Now I say boss. People when you say that money, I give you go ahead, ask. If na lie at all, come live video, come talk say na lie, na at all. Now me use my money, can I enter Europe? When it still help you so. No way, I always dey a far boy. She say disgrace won't kill you. Now he still contribute for you. Now me can I enter Europe? Now my person. Hello? Okay, well, you know, sister. They knocking a wedding man. Oh no, ma. If you are right. Who call him? Who call him? No problem. Okay. You know. That is how she's trying to. For people to believe say na he can be this. Na he can. Who is she? No problem, mama. No problem. Mama, miss a boss. My people, no worry. We shall continue the gist in the evening. I want go buy my waiting for my something for my diet. No? So no say I felt I want to change my diet plan. Change something for my diet. So I will still tell you. Thank you very much. Okay, like my hair. My hair. I show us that day a packet na €8.90. We dey sell am for store. If I reach store, I'll make small video. But I know say store no dey do saga. If not, my patron go vex with me. If not, my boss go quarrel. Store now store we dey do innocent for there. My oga no know say I dey do saga. Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware